Assalamu alaikum, I am Humayet Asif. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am showing an Arduino based smartphone control robot car is an exciting project that combines the power of Arduino with the convenience of smartphone control. It's also a lot of fun to play with and impress your friends and kids with your robot car driving skills. This project allows you to control a small robot car wirelessly using an app on your smartphone. To get started with this project, you will need an Arduino board, a motor driver, 4 motors, a Bluetooth module, and a simple car chassis. You will also need to download a smartphone app that can communicate with the Bluetooth module. First step is to assemble the robot car chassis and mount the motors onto it. Then connect the motors to the motor driver and the motor driver to the Arduino board. Next, connect the Bluetooth module to the Arduino board. Once the hardware is set up, you will need to write some code to control the motors and communicate with the smartphone app. You can use the Arduino IDE to write the code and upload it to the Arduino board. Finally, download and install the smartphone app. Pair it with the Bluetooth module and start controlling the robot car wirelessly from your smartphone. You can use the app to control the speed and direction of the robot car, and even add some additional features like obstacle detection, line following, autonomous navigation, remote camera, voice control, and many more. Overall, this project is a great way to learn about Arduino, robotics, and smartphone app development.